2025 Volkswagen T-Roc, an SUV that combines style and technology. The Volkswagen T-Roc is one of the most popular SUVs on the European market, attracting many fans with its sporty design, spacious cabin and strong performance. However, Volkswagen is not resting on its laurels with the success of the T-Roc, and plans to launch the second generation of this SUV in 2025. The 2025 T-Roc will be one of the last models to use an internal combustion engine, before Volkswagen switches completely to electric vehicles. However, this does not mean that the 2025 T-Roc will compromise Volkswagen's commitment to the environment, as the 2025 T-Roc will be equipped with an advanced and energy-efficient hybrid system. The 2025 T-Roc will be built on the updated MQB platform, which allows the use of electrification technology with a wide choice of petrol and diesel engines. One of the most interesting options is the T-Roc R, which will combine a 2.0-liter turbo petrol engine with an electric motor, producing up to 272 horsepower. The T-Roc R will be a very powerful SUV, but also environmentally friendly, because it can reduce carbon dioxide emissions by up to 30% compared to the previous model. Apart from performance, the 2025 T-Roc will also offer a new, fresher and more modern look, with LED lights, a larger front grille and a bolder bumper. The 2025 T-Roc will also have a wider range of color options, including metallic, matte, and two-tone colors. Inside, the 2025 T-Roc will provide passengers with comfort and luxury, with the latest infotainment system, digital instruments and advanced safety features. The 2025 T-Roc will also continue to offer a cabriolet version, which is Volkswagen's only convertible model at the moment. The 2025 Volkswagen T-Roc is an SUV that not only offers style, but also cutting-edge technology. The 2025 T-Roc is the right choice for those of you who are looking for a powerful and environmentally friendly SUV.